I bought 5 of the most popular cordless leaf blowers on Amazon and ran every single one of them through the same tests in my yard for 2 weeks. Wet leaves, dry leaves, gravel, grass clippings, light snow, the full works. One of these genuinely shocked me with how much power it has. One of them disappointed me for a very specific reason I will tell you up front. And one of them proved that sometimes the simplest tool is still the right tool. Let's get into it. Starting at the top with the one that has genuinely converted gas holdouts. The EGO-Power Plus LB 7654. This blower does 765 cubic feet per minute and up to 200 miles per hour of airspeed. To give you some context, that is over 15% more powerful than any other handheld blower on the market when it launched, and it still holds up against everything else available in 2026. The turbine fan engineering, inspired by aerospace aeronautics, produces an insane volume of air in a package that weighs under 5 pounds without the battery. Turbo button for maximum output. Variable speed trigger from 260 to 580 cubic feet per minute for full control. Cruise control dial to lock in your speed without squeezing the trigger for extended sessions. All of this runs on the EGO 56-volt ARC lithium platform with the included 5.0 ampere-hour battery, providing up to 90 minutes of realistic runtime across mixed usage. The IPX4 weather resistance means you can use it in damp conditions without worrying. The included spread and tapered nozzles cover both wide clearing and focused precision work. The build quality is genuinely premium. It does not feel like plastic the way some cordless tools do. In 2 weeks of real testing, this thing moved wet leaves, gravel, compacted grass clippings, and everything else with authority. If you want one cordless leaf blower to replace your gas blower completely, this is the one. That is link 1 in the description. Tap it right now. If you want the most honest product tests every single day, subscribe to Unbox Daily. We drop new content every day. At number 2, the one for anyone who is already in the DEWALT ecosystem and wants a blower that matches the brand's professional-grade reputation, the DEWALT DCBL 772X1. This is part of DEWALT's FlexVolt 60-volt max system, which means the included 3.0 ampere-hour FlexVolt battery is compatible with both the full range of 60-volt max tools and every 20-volt max tool in the DEWALT lineup. If you already own DEWALT tools, this is a massive convenience. The batteries are shared across your entire collection. The blower itself uses a high-efficiency brushless motor, delivering up to 600 cubic feet per minute at 125 miles per hour. Variable speed trigger and speed lock. Keep output consistent during extended use without your hand cramping. The axial design in line with the handle makes it comfortable and well balanced in use. The honest numbers. 600 cubic feet per minute versus the EGO's 765 cubic feet per minute is a real gap in power, and runtime on the included 3.0 ampere-hour battery comes in around 30 minutes on high, which is noticeably shorter than the competition. If you need longer runtime, you will want to invest in a larger ampere-hour FlexVolt pack, but the build quality is exactly what you would expect from DEWALT. Tough, reliable, and designed to be used hard. The 3-year limited warranty and 1-year free service contract back it up. For DEWALT users who want a powerful cordless blower that plays nicely with everything else on their tool shelf, this is the natural choice. That is linked 2 in the description. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily. Every single day we put another product through its paces. At number 3, the one that makes the strongest case for a 40-volt brushless blower at an accessible price, the Greenworks 40-volt brushless. Greenworks has been building battery-powered outdoor tools since 2002, and the 40-volt brushless blower is where that experience shows clearly. The brushless motor delivers double the torque and roughly 30% longer runtime than brushed motor competitors, combined with 3 times the motor lifespan, which is the kind of long-term value that matters when you are choosing a tool you want to last. At 185 miles per hour and up to 505 cubic feet per minute in turbo mode, it handles dry leaves, wet leaf piles, gravel driveways, grass clippings, and light snow without complaint. A 6-speed variable dial gives you fine control from gentle patio, sweeping up to full power, and a turbo boost button delivers on-demand maximum airflow for stubborn debris. The 3-in-1 design converts between blower, vacuum, and mulcher in seconds, toolless, with a 10-to-1 mulch ratio for anyone who wants to collect and reduce yard waste, rather than just move it around. The 5.0 ampere-hour battery and charger are included in the kit, and the 40-volt ecosystem connects to over 75 compatible Greenworks tools, including mowers, trimmers, chainsaws, and hedge trimmers. Battery life comes in around 20 to 21 minutes on maximum power, which is the limitation you need to know going in. Plan your jobs accordingly or grab a spare battery. For a homeowner who wants a lightweight, quiet, brushless blower with genuine versatility and ecosystem expandability at a fair price, the Greenworks 40-volt is a smart buy. That is link 3 in the description. Tap it right now. New product reviews every day on Unbox Daily. Hit subscribe and never miss one. At number 4, the one that every homeowner who already owns YOBI tools should seriously consider, the YOBI 1+18-volt Cordless Leaf Blower. Here's the thing about YOBI that matters more than any single spec. The 1 plus 18-volt battery ecosystem is the largest battery platform in the world with over 300 compatible tools. If you already own a YOBI drill, circular saw, trimmer, or any 1 plus tool, every battery you already have works in this blower. That ecosystem value is real and significant. The blower itself delivers between 90 and 100 miles per hour airspeed with 250 to 350 cubic feet per minute of airflow, depending on the specific model configuration, making it well suited for light to medium yard cleanup. Dry leaves, grass clippings, patio debris, driveway sweeping, garage floors, and car detailing. The variable speed trigger gives you full control, and the jet fan design runs quietly compared to gas alternatives. Where it falls short for large yards with heavy autumn leaf volumes, thick wet debris, or gravel, the 18-volt platform simply does not have the raw airflow of a 40-volt or 56-volt blower. You will be making more passes and spending more time. But for a small to medium suburban yard, a quick post-mow cleanup, or occasional seasonal work, it gets the job done without fuss. It is lightweight, easy to start, requires zero maintenance, and if you are already in the YOBI ecosystem, it costs almost nothing to add to your collection. For the average homeowner with a modest yard, this is the one. That is link 4 in the description. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily. We test something new every single day. And rounding out the list at number 5, the one that proves a budget blower can still do the job, the Works WG547. The Works WG547 is a 20-volt turbine fan cordless blower that weighs just 4.4 pounds with the included 2.0 ampere-hour battery. It delivers up to 360 cubic feet per minute and 75 miles per hour on high speed, numbers that put it in the entry-level category by any objective measure. But for what most people actually need a leaf blower for, clearing a patio, sweeping a driveway, knocking debris off a deck, blowing out a garage, it handles daily maintenance tasks competently. The turbine fan technology draws in a strong hyperstream of air for its voltage, and the 2-speed switch gives you low for delicate sweeping and high for everything else. Runtime on the included 2.0 ampere-hour battery runs around 15 to 20 minutes on low, which is a real limitation for any serious yard session. The battery is part of the Works 20-volt PowerShare system, compatible across the Works cordless tool range. So if you own other Works tools, you can swap in higher capacity packs for more runtime. One-handed operation, simple 2-speed control, lightweight design, 1-hour charge time, and a 3-year warranty. No frills, no complexity. If you want the cheapest possible way to own a cordless leaf blower that works, the Works WG547 is the honest answer. That is link 5 in the description, the last one. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily right now. We test the most popular Amazon products every single day, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. Number 1, Ego Power Plus LB7654. Best overall. 765 cubic feet per minute, 200 miles per hour, turbine fan engineering, up to 90 minutes of runtime, and the power to replace any gas blower. Number 2, DEWALT DCBL77, 2X 160 volt max. Best for DEWALT ecosystem users, 600 cubic feet per minute, brushless motor, flex volt battery, compatible with all 20 volt and 60 volt max tools. Number 3, reenworks 40 volt brushless. Best mid-range pick, brushless motor, turbo boost, 3-in-1 blower vacuum mulcher, 5.0 amp-hour battery included, 75 plus compatible tools. Number 4, YOBI 1 plus 18 volts. Best for YOBI ecosystem users. Lightweight, quiet, compatible with 300 plus 1 plus tools. Perfect for small to medium yards. Number 5, Works WG547. Best budget entry. 360 cubic feet per minute, 4.4 pounds. One-handed operation and a simple 2-speed setup that gets the job done without spending much. All 5 links are in the description, numbered in exactly this order. Drop a comment below. Which one are you going with, and how big is your yard? I read every single one. I will catch you in the next one.